In this video, we are going to see fourth part of profit and loss of Aptitude series. At very first, we have question like a dishonest shopkeeper commits to sell sweets at cost price. So this is a cost price. So CP means cost price, but he used a false weight of 900 grams instead of 1 kg. So the shopkeeper desired to sell at CP at cost price, but he using a false weight instead of 1 kg. He is using 900 grams. Find the profit percentage in the whole transaction. See, for this type of questions, we are using trick like at numerator you need to write sell, at denominator you need to write CP. The difference of this is profit or loss. Now which is of equals to, see here the profit is 100 grams, means is selling for 1000 grams and cost price is 900 grams. Don't get confused. For this type of questions, if you got profit, you need to write the big number in the numerator and the small quantity number in the denominator. Suppose if it is a loss, you need to write small number in the numerator and the big number in the denominator. You need to equal to this sell by cost price, SP by CP, nothing but this is the SP and this is CP. So now which is of equals to, if you simplify this, which is of equals to 10 by 9. Now the make CP denominator equals to 100 percentage. So in order to become 100 percentage, in order to equal this denominator to 100 percentage, we need to multiply 100 by 9. So the difference is 1, which is a profit. Again we need to multiply this 1 with 100 by 9. So which is of profit percentage. So the profit percentage is 100 by 9 percentage, or if we simplify this, we are going to get this is in the option C. So our option is C. So our next question is like a dishonest shopkeeper commits to sell sweets at 10% profit. So using the same trick, we are going to find the answer. Like we need to write sell price in the numerator and the cost price in the denominator. So the difference of this is profit or loss. So again he desired to sell 10% profit. So this is the thing, if the cost price is of 100 percentage, so you need to sell off with 110 percentage. Again he uses a false weight of 800 grams instead of 1 kg, means the profit is 200 grams. So we need to write the big number in the numerator. So 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. I have written in the numerator. The weight of 100 grams I written in the denominator because it is a profit. So if it is a loss, then we need to write small number in the numerator and the big number in the denominator. So I think up to here you are clear this thing. So if we take these two things and if we simplify this, we are going to get 11 by 8. So make the denominator equals to 100 percentage. So in order to become 100 percentage of this 8, we need to multiply with 10 by 8. So the difference of this 11 and 8 is the profit. So 11 minus 8, which is of equals to 3. So this is the profit. So if we need to find the percentage, then here we need to multiply with 100 by 8. So now if we multiply this 100 by 8, this is equals to 3 into 100 by 8 percentage, which is of equals to, now I simplified here the thing, so which is of equals to 37.5 percentage. So this is equals to 37.5 percentage. So which is of in the option C. So our option is C. Now let us see the third question in this video. So this is question like the advanced questions of the previous video. The question is like A corrupted rice vendor uses a weight of 12 grams instead of 1 kg while buying the rice. So let us use the same trick, like we are going to write SP in the numerator and CP in the denominator. So he uses a false weight, means he is going to get 200 grams profit. So we need to write big number in the numerator and the small number in the denominator. Like I am writing 1200 in the numerator, then 1 kg is of 1000 grams I am writing in the denominator. Again he uses a weight of 900 grams instead of 1 kg while selling it. So again the profit is of 100 grams. So we need to write big number in the numerator, like 1 kg is of 1000 grams in the numerator and then 900 grams in the denominator. We need to multiply all these things. He also added a 5 kg of white stones per 100 kg of rice to get more money. So for again is a profit of 5 kgs. Like for every 100 kg of rice is going to add 5 kg of white stones and it is becoming of 105 kgs. If he gives a discount of 10% to his customers on the CP, suppose CP is of 100%, then he giving a discount of 10%, means it is of 90% selling. Then how much profit does he make? So we need to write all these things in the down like this. Now while simplifying this is equals to 126 by 100. So we need to make this denominator equals to 100%. So in order to make this 100%, here we need to multiply with 1. So the difference of this is the profit. The profit is 120 minus 100, which is of equals to 26. Now we need to multiply this 26 with 1, then we are going to get 26 as 26%. So now the profit is 26%. So the final answer is option D. Now let us move to fourth question. The fourth question is like, combined cost price of chair and the table is 20,000. So he given like cost price of chair and the table is equals to rupees 20,000. Chair sold at 10% profit, table sold at 10% loss. Now for this purpose let us make one thing, like let table be 20,000 minus this chair. So chair is sold for 10% profit. Like if the chair is of 100%, then it is sold for 110. Again table is sold at 10% loss. So again instead of this table we are writing this thing, like 20,000 minus C. When the table sold at 10% loss, means if the cost price is of 100, then it is sold for 90%. Then he gained 2% profit in the whole transaction. Now he gained 20,000. For 20,000 he gained 2% profit. So for 100% he gained 102 in the whole transaction. Find the cost price of the chair. We need to find the cost price of the chair. So here when we simplify this, we are going to get the value of the C. So now the C is equals to 12,000. Then the chair price, then the cost price of the chair is 12,000, which is in the option B. So this is the question which is similar to the previous question. So the last question is like, a man purchased some articles at 1 lakh rupees. So the articles let articles be of a variable is purchased for 1 lakh rupees. He sells 2 by 3 of them at 15 percentage. If he sell for like a 2 by 3 with 15 percentage, so means if the cost price is like 100 percentage, then he is going to sell for 15 percentage of profit, means it is of 115. Again, at what percentage did he sell the remaining articles to get overall profit of 12 percentage? Then the remaining is of a by 3, so we need to find here the profit percentage and means the difference of this. So if it is sold for 100 percentage, we need to find the difference of this now, which is of equals to the overall profit is 12 percentage. If the articles is of cost price 100 percentage, then he gain 12 percentage in all these transactions, means the selling price is of equals to 112. See, at numerator I am writing selling price, at the denominator I am writing cost price. So this is the trick I have used here, the same trick I have used here. So now if we simplify this, we are going to get the P is 106, and the difference of this is 6 percentage, which is profit. So the profit percentage is now 6 percentage. So this is in the option A.